So this is the model of an automatic cradle. In modern days, the things are happening that both the parents are working, and if they have a baby at home, so it becomes quite difficult for the parents to take care of the baby. In the manual cradle which we are having in the daily available market, we have to keep a constant motion by the human efforts. So we have designed an automatic cradle using the cam and follow mechanism. So it will reduce the human efforts to a very less extent. We just need a constant electrical supply and a mechanism which will drive the automatic cradle constantly without any human efforts required. So this is the mechanism of automatic cradle. This is an SHM cam, an oscillatory follower. The tip of the follower is roller. The motor is powered 30 RPM. So this is the cam profile of an SHM follower. The SHM curve, then 20 degrees of dwell over there, and then again SHM curve and 20 degrees of dwell over there. And this is the final cam profile of the cam, SHM cam. Over there is a 20 degree of dwell, and over here is the 20 degree of dwell. So this model provides a 15 to 17 degree of swing motion to the cradle, and the motor is powered 30 RPM. If we want to increase the power, then we can use differential motors. Initially the torque will be more and the speed will be less, and after a few seconds the top speed will be achieved. And we can also increase the motion of the cradle by changing the cam profile. So this is the final working of the automatic cradle.